Hello friends, today we're going to see how to make taro cake. It's a savory version taro cake. It's famous in Asia and this cake made from taro root and it's very in high benefit. Friends, welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Please click subscribe button and click that bell button and you will get notification every day. Please like and share and comment. Thank you. So friend, to make this yummy taro cake, all you need are 1 cup taro, 1 cup rice flour, 1 tablespoon tapioca flour, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 cup sliced mushroom, 3 dry shiitake mushroom that is soaked with the hot water, and vegetable bouillon about 1 or half teaspoon. For the toppings, onion, garlic, sesame seed, chilies and curry sauce. You need a 1 cup coconut milk, 2 tablespoons Singapore curry powder, garlic, salt, sugar. So let's see how to cut this taro. First I just slice this soak mushroom, shiitake mushroom. I just squeeze all the water and just give nice slice. I'm trying to chop as fine I can. So we just chop it nicely. So we're going to keep aside. Now I'm going to peel the taro. So friend, the taro have a little chemical reaction in on our skin. So please wear gloves, or if you have any itchiness you always can use salt and baking soda to wash it out, that the stickiness from the taro. So friend, I just slice it. So we only need about 1 cup cube taro. So let it cut to nice pieces. So we're going to cube to small pieces. Now just cube it now, and then we're going to soak it in the cold water. So first step, in the pan I'm just adding the oil and then the shiitake mushroom. So we just give a nice saute. Now I'm just add a very little bit garlic. Garlic give nice flavor and aroma to our cake. So now I'm just added cube taro. So let's saute about 3 minutes. Now friends, I'm just adding our sliced mushroom. You can use any type mushroom. I have today is a portobello mushroom. It's a baby portobello. Now I'm adding the 5 seasoning or spices on about 1/4 teaspoon. So I just add it. So the next step, and I'm going to make it a batter. So I've just used the vegetable bouillon and all the dry ingredients. So friend, please check the description below to get the perfect measurement for this cake. So the texture should be very soft and like a creamy texture, so we just mix the water and we get form nice batter. So we keep adding a little bit at one at a time until we have that smooth batter consistent. So we just keep mixing until we form nice creamy and smooth batter. The batter should be a little bit watery, but please check the description below because this cake should be very soft and just melt in your mouth. Now I just oil the baking dish, or it's a steam dish. It's a steam proof dish. So we're going to add all that saute taro and mushroom, and now I'm adding the batter and we keep adding. So why we keep adding a little bit at one time? So because the taro not going fall in the bottom, it will be in the middle too. So now the steaming part is ready. I just use the rice cooker and I'm going to steam this cake for at least 40 minutes. So meanwhile we're going to make a our toppings is a fried garlic and fried onion topping. So we need to fry the garlic until golden brown, friends. So the garlic really give nice crunchy texture on our taro cake. And now I'm just using the same oil to fry the onion. So it's same, you need to fry the onion. It's more preferable if you have the shallot or small onion. It's really give nice flavor and the sweet flavor. Now we're going to make the curry sauce. In the same pan, I'm just adding the 2 garlic chop, little bit coriander leaf, and I'm going to add the curry powder, salt, sugar, and little bit curry leaf, and we're going to saute about 1 minute, and we're going to add the coconut milk. It's pretty easy, but the curry is so delicious. This curry sauce goes so well with our taro cake. In Asia, we always eat with curry sauce, and it's called sweet sauce. It's so delicious, friend. So let it cook until the oil is spread on the top. So it just take 5 minutes to make this curry sauce. Now the curry sauce ready, and we can keep aside. Let's check the taro cake is ready or not. It's already 30 minutes. I'm just insert the stick or a knife. The butter knife is still not cooked yet, so let finish cook. It should be 40 minutes, friends. So now it's fully cooked. You can see I just checked with the chopstick. It's a little bit firm and it's come out clean. So now it's ready, friend. So let it set cool at least 1 hour, but I can't wait because it smells so good. I decided to cut and give a try. So now I'm just cut to the pieces. It's like a slice. You can see that all that ingredient, the mushroom, the cube taro is so good and smells so yummy here. Now I'm just adding the topping. It's a fried onion, fried garlic, and the sesame seed. So in Asia, we always make the topping with the dry shrimp, or sometimes we always have the dry meats or chicken or anchovies, any kind of toppings. But today we keep it simple. We want to be vegan and we love vegetarian, especially the mushroom already complete this dish. It's so yummy. This is the hot pepper, so I just give a little on my taro cake. I just drizzle some sriracha. It's a hot sauce, or if you have any type sauce, it's so good. If you have ketchup, it goes so well. I'm just drizzle some curry sauce. It's so yummy and you can dig it. Look at this, friends. It's simple, it's high nutritious, especially the taro. So this recipe is for promote the taro vegetable. Is a root vegetable, is high in nutritious and benefit. So friend, please try this recipe and get all that good benefit from the taro root vegetable for your health. So friend, I hope you like this recipe. Please give a try. This is so good and it's very yummy, and you always can make for your friends or vegetarian friends. They will love as much I enjoy. If you like this recipe, before you leave, click that subscribe button and the bell button to get the notification. Thank you, friends.